A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, but me telling you again. Me telling you already, me telling you again. All of my story them real. People are ask if there's somebody they picture real. People are ask if a real story. Those things not important. The real fact of the matter is the story them real, guys. You understand? Sometimes people come out and want to talk. Sometimes someone advice we hide and them thing there. So that's how you go. Alright, me feel me go. Me have two stories where the lady I give me. I go premiere that one tonight and the other one tomorrow. So the one here is about a lady from UK who met a Jamaican man over there in the UK, guys. And trust me, boy, them say some story of revenge and some story of a bitter end. Wanna be a judge of that one, yeah? Want to flood the comment section. I could drive. I could listen.
Okay, there, man. I had a friend that she had two children, and she broke up with the father, and she came back to the Midlands, and she bought a house, and there was something wrong with the roof, and she inquired, and she found out that this man in the neighborhood said he would do the work for her. And while he was there, come to fix the roof, they liked each other. He liked her because she was on her own. And he befriended her. And they became lovers. And she ended up marrying him. But he was a seasoned player anyway, because he used to play with other people. I'd take out other women, buy dinner for them, drop them off and carry on. But she didn't know because she didn't live in the area. But I knew about him.
So you know about him as a friend, and you never but so why you never go to her and want her?
Listen up, Art. I knew about him because he also took me out. Ooh, he don't mind that. Well, I never slept with him. Because me used to play the game to take me out and eat and drink and then promise what we never go that far with him. But she went far with him, I didn't. So is when I went to her house, dog. This is where the story starts.
I went to visit her and I saw him and I was shocked. And I said, like, what are you doing here? What are you doing, my friend? And he was shocked to see BT. He said, you two are friends? We said, yes, I'm a good friend. We know her from we 16. And then I went upstairs and she started to tell me that about him. And she loved him and she's gonna give it her all. This one, I'm gonna give it my all. Oh. She fall in love with him, and then they moved in together and they got married. And then she went to Jamaica, and because she was a school nurse, and this school nurse plus she was working at one of the hospitals in Jamaica, and he was a carpenter or. He worked on houses. He could do things like that. So when I went to Jamaica, they bought a house. And she was happy. She was settled down with him. And then after a while, she came back to England. And I think she came back for about 6 months to work, to earn more money, to go back. And when she went back to Jamaica, she found another woman living in the house.
Alright, some of our family members in Jamaica know about this story. So if you don't want to reach out to me and put a next twist to it, 876-277-3254. And come on, guys, like the video, man. Like it up. Press the thumbs up button on the video. We can continue drive and listen.
Back up there. Ask us some question, I know my audience would want to hear differently. All right. So when she flew back to Jamaica, she surprised him. Like she surprise him for come at the house, or she tell him say she come home XYZ.
I think it was more of a surprise. He knew she was coming back because she only come for 6 months, so she went back. I can't, yeah. That bit there, you'd have to go, but yeah.
Yeah. So when she come at the house now, she realized he moved in a woman within the 6 months she got.
And it'll be a woman. A woman was living there. And the woman wouldn't move out. And he wouldn't tell the woman to move out. So the three of them was there. And she couldn't stand it. So what she used to do, she used to walk up and down. All over. Get up at daytime, go walk and walk. She said she nearly lost her mind. Because all her money was tied up in the house. And she had invested because she had a house in Jamaica. She's in England and she sold that house and bought this house in Jamaica where she was going to hope that she would have a good life with this man. And when she got to Jamaica, she found the woman in there. The woman wouldn't move and he wouldn't do anything to get rid of the woman. So she didn't have nowhere to go, so she stayed there. And in the day she used to go walk up and down until she met a man from England. She saw somebody from England who recognized her and call out to her. And she told him the story, and he said that he would help her. And then he started to help her. And she was able to get a divorce. He helped her. I think she moved in with him, something like that. And she sold the house. Yeah, they sold Felicla nothing. Story. Told the house Felicla nothing. That's what she told me. She said to me that she nearly went mad. She was walking up and down the road, up and down every day. She didn't know where to go. She didn't have any friends because she didn't know anybody in Jamaica really. So she would just get up and go walking till somebody recognized her from UK and spoke to her and offered her a shoulder, and she befriended the person and the person helped her. And then that's how she got out of that. And then she sold the house for little or nothing and left him there.
So what become my man?
He died. Eventually he died after he died after some time. But she didn't business with him because she divorced him. House was sold and he died. Well, after some time he died, so she don't know what became of him. When I'm talking to went up the last time I saw her, because when I came to Jamaica, when I came to Jamaica, I went to see her, and I went to where she was working, and they gave me her telephone number. No, the ladies, as I told them that my friend works here, they said I must leave my telephone number and she can contact me. So she contacted me. She came and picked me up. And that's when she was telling me what happened and how wicked and how horrible he was and everything. Then I was saying to her, but you didn't know him. You should have got to know him first, because this man was living with somebody and he left that person for you. And he was also a player. He was one of those men that came to club, come on their own, and they would spend their money and buy drinks and buy dinner for people. And then people would just laugh and leave them and go. But you took him serious. And because you took him serious, nobody's going to come and tell you. Because I would have said to her, leave him because he's rubbish, because she was telling me. Even though I was telling her, I know him. I know where he lives. That wouldn't make no difference to her because she already fall in love with it. So even though I'm telling her, you know, he's a player, she not listening to me when she fell in love with him, spent all her money on him, and she got the shock of her life because she left him. And wow,
But you saw God work it out. The guy who she walk and she meet back from England. She end up there with him now.
he whacked the last time I say, but you know, unfortunately, she died of pneumonia.
What?
Yeah, she's dead now. She died of pneumonia.
Oh my God.
Yeah, both of them are dead now. It's a very sad story.
Oh,
That
so she died in Jamaica.
Died in Jamaica because I said to her, why did you come back? She couldn't come back to face everybody because she made such a big thing. When they were going home, she made such a big to-do. And, you know, even if people was telling her, you know, be careful because, you know, he's a player. He likes women that look nice, who, you know, that he would spend his money, take it to the best restaurant, and all you have to do is promise him a little friendship, something, and they laugh and leave him, and him go off to our next person. But she didn't know that. So she took him serious. When he came to our house, she just probably fell in love with him, and she don't know his background to know. And that was sad.
Wildlife set away, man. Jano.
The woman in the house, she can't get rid of the woman.
So the woman there would be next woman.
Yes, because while she was away, he the type of person he was never fearful, because he actually lived in front of where I lived, you know. So I knew him. When I opened my door, I used to look right over by him. And but on a Saturday night, he see him at club, he act like him a single man. Him don't have nobody. And him look for whoever pretty face him like, and him will spend the money, buy you drink after drink, drop you home, but looking for something in return. A lot of people just used to laugh in his face, bye, see you. But she took him serious. Oh, whoa. She took him serious, and maybe she was desperate, maybe she took him serious. And remember what she said? She said, I'm gonna give it my all. Or you can give your all to somebody you don't know. You give part and then you wait. Whoa. And plus when he went to our house to fix the roof, he was living with a white lady with 3 kids. Yes, that man. But he talked her into believing in him, and she believed in him. And the sad story that I heard when I came back at it the following year, she had a cold and she developed pneumonia. They found her dead in bed. That was it. Both of them did. It just shows that's a lesson for people that you can't just see some man. You don't, even if a man come to work on your house, no matter what he's talking to you, you know, where was he living before and all that. She didn't check him out. As he met, I mean, he was still like he was saying to me, oh, what did you say to her? I said, didn't say anything. You sure not said it to me? Son, not to me, just tell her that I know you. Make sure you're not legal in secret. Yeah, they must look at me in the eyes. What did you say to her? So me not say nothing, but tell her that me know you long, long time. So,
She was what age when she passed away?
oh God, did she reach 50? I don't know, you know.
She died young, man. That not sound like.
Yeah, she died, yeah, but she developed pneumonia. Oh, and you remember she would have been depressed, yeah, if I remember that. She lost everything. She had to start all over again. Well, all that money, everything, and the humiliation of finding another woman in the house that she can't fight and run out. You know, like some women that burn down the house and go crazy and think, this house here, I'm going to burn it down. I'm going to do something crazy in this house here so the three of us can't live in it. She didn't have that mindset. She was kind of quiet. I don't know, she's still like that. Like other people over here, even me,
What you do?
probably burn down the house. do something crazy, then probably would have put me up with that. Instead of she a walk around like she mad, then would have lock me up there. My money tie up there and you asleep with she in that room.
Disrespect. Then said, up you know, if you frighten, a big disrespect and disrespect human. And the part where woman said she could have come back to England for face the backlash she should have get. We kind of understand.
Yeah, she couldn't come back. She couldn't come back because she took all the money. Can you imagine? It's like me, take all my money, come home, do something, and then by the time me leave, I'll come back. Me see one next woman I walk up and down. Then I think me I lose it. The head would go crazy. But all she did, she just walk up and down. Walk up and down all over till that man saw her. But she was always a quiet person. This was it. She was always quiet. 'Cause I know her from when I was going to college. She was quiet and she accepted. When people say things to her, she just take it lightly. Yeah, she never even used to get like she looked like she vexed. God knows how those people that. Yeah, she was quiet.
Why, Jano Star, sometimes we cover some stories, Sometimes you wonder, do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? It's the word of Diana Ross. May her soul rest in peace. She surprised me when she tell the story, because I never know that the lady actually passed away. Sad into her story, She passed away young. All her dreams and all she planned. Boy, you have some man know how to get in a woman head, You have some man know what to say. If you get to hear what her friend say, she said she have to put all in the relationship. And as her friend said, why would you put all? Put half or a quarter. We can argue about this because two persons is not here anymore. But I know some family member will hear this story and can put a little 2 cents to it, Wow, Jano Star. I don't wish that pan nobody. And this is it, guys. When I can't find in a man or woman, I run this channel. Enough time man come out a squeal and a ball. Enough time woman come out and a squeal and a ball. Stop put all on the effort in a people. Stop putting the trust in a people. Put on the trust in a God, man. And go forward. Stop putting all. Because obviously she must trust it, this man. If he sell her property and decide to, convince her to come to Jamaica and buy a house. When initially his plan was maybe to come back to Jamaica, and try to take the house on her and carrying woman. And we make it be a face. If you know, say, I hear them story with man carrying woman and woman can't do nothing. I mean, always, even the lady where did run go back to America, where she go catch one woman in her house and she had chat up with the woman. Gone are the days one time woman used to fight over man and rush girl and then something. Everybody calm now. So, not saying that are the way, are the answer going forward if you're in there. If you don't find yourself in a type of situation there, but that one have me speechless, guys. That one have me speechless. The disrespectful behavior and she walk up and down going crazy, man. That will make anybody go crazy. Life. Some woman they are good with their life and then pick up one crosses, man. And it make you turn your mind against your family. Or when them show you, say he's not right for you, you're blind. You don't want to hear that. You know, something you don't want to hear that. As our friend say, maybe a desperation, maybe in charm her, into something to her way, convince her. She just did put all in her, I just say you go. But life goes on, guys. When I live, I want to learn from them story. You understand? While I'm posting them, I'm learning a lot. Trust me, I learn a lot. If I never have these experience, would I get tricked long time? I know the system too and come out with a story. But anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Like this video and share it.